Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you what is the DEX screener app and how to use it. So let's get started. So here I will just do and I will directly search for the DEX screener. So here we can see it, Samsung DEX here. Okay, so I will just open the app. So basically this app Samsung DEX or DEX screener is an app where you make your uh, powerful phone into your desktop. Okay, so you can just connect with your HDMI with your phone and other things as well. So basically this uses your phone power to experience you of a desktop. So by this way you can do it, and if you have any question related to this, how to use the desk screener, you can let me know in my comment section. If you found this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.